really intensive. So much work technically, and the rhymes, the beats, the UID incorporation throughout. It's a heady mix. Put the pen to paper, and there's a lot of fucking music there.
Got the blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. The blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. Yeah, I got Pluto cream, but a Popeye frown. I got a few close friends, but we're falling out. I stamp a new boat, but it's a long way down. Should've known nobody could've talked me out. Walk the plank with a kinda cocky smile. Cock and aim at anyone that cross you now. It's a bloody west, I guess, and breaking necks is just infectious. Lest I digress direction. I was close but no cigar to smoke, so I drove home blown. Float motionless through cars, an ocean so low. No notion, no what stars, I'm setting no composure. I drift out just too far to rescue, and I hardly ever put my heart in anything. Partly cause I'm too smart, but the other part argues that I'm too tarnished. Anyway, marksman with a new target every day. Starved through too many droughts, now we pray for rain. March to many war drums, maintained unscathed. Got the blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. The blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. I played a world full of cocaine pearls. Fuck a pet boy, place ring and make go pearl. I'm a test, no patience, I can pay no mind. A better, less known traitor said to waste my time. Saw snake oil sliver in a salesman. I'm in a makeshift tank though. No debt to hide from, so testify, son. Suppress the violence with the extra diamond. Kaleidoscope, tunnel vision, pie in the sky, and I'm only a recyclable on mountains of time. I know when X collides with O, we intersect accordingly. Generate a better equation to reassure me I'm in death-defying mode. Please interject with certainty. No man can cause me panic, and no room for insecurity. Even dead as this I hope we did our best at sorting out the men from the mice. I let you divvy up the Gorgons over. Got the blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. Got the blood of an ox running through my vein. Thank God I remain sort of pseudo-sane, but I'm Pluto-bound because I'm barely hanging on. Fool's gold cross with a cardboard crown. Reset alignment, reconnect the wires when collective conscience projects through silence. I'm less divided when I'm left to my devices. Better check the climate. A double-breasted pinstripe for my retirement. Prepared to send off and fly by night. Must be extraterrestrial, guided by light. Pioneer designs and travel through time.
I feel like aliens are here now. And I didn't used to feel like that. I mean, like, I might be talking to one at a fucking Starbucks, man. I swear to God, I don't know where these people are at. I don't see human qualities in them. I don't know, there's not a single thing that I look at them and anything registers that we're built of the same stuff, even. We don't receive things the same way. I don't think it would feel the same to touch people like that I come across. It's a different, does that make any sense? There's a glow about normal humans, and you see it because it's like, oh, you're in a live, weird thing. And then there's these other things that look just like that, but they're not the same thing.
Happy birthday, aliens.
Happy birthday, aliens.
Seatbelts.
Seatbelts.
I don't really care. All I care about is this verse.